I feel like nature is where our fitra is. So when we return to nature, we can start finding ourselves.
I feel like when I first got here, I was so worried about I wasn't connected. I was so worried about getting dirty. I was so worried about bugs or the elements.
But my point is being around good sohbah attracts more good sohbah.
So I've known the crew of Art and Wilderness for many years, and I knew that whatever they're going to plan as a camping trip for the ladies will be spectacular. They're gonna have amazing activities planned out for us. There'll be, sisterhood, and so that's something that I was really looking forward to.
You want to wedge it, you don't want to create any air pockets. You're going
pottery with Sarah Hafiz. I was so shocked that I've never in all my years held clay and then molded it and then shaped it into what I wanted it to be. And I think I spent 3 hours making, one pot.
You take your knife and you stick it where you want to split it, and then you take a hammer and then you hammer it out.
I'd never held a knife, like a carving knife, ever.
You'll start carving the hole out right here for the spoon. Good, and then from there I can just carve away.
So
now I want to
Sam
go.
was talking about how we forget how to use these intricate muscles because we don't do this type of thing in modern day. So when I started doing it versus when I finished, I was like night and day, and I was really into it. I sort of kind of got into knowing how to hold the knife and just loving it.
The meals are 10 out of 10, definitely. I'm these are all such amazing cooks.
We do it all the time at home, but it felt so much less pressure. We were laughing, we were joking, we were doing dhikr at the same time.
Certified to be a halal hand-slaughtered ground beef.
And it just felt like this is how it's supposed to be. We're supposed to be in our village, and we're supposed to be doing this together so that none of it feels like a burden.
That piece off, I don't see any holes there. That looks nice. Yeah?
There's a lot of this one.
There's a lot, and I have a saw too.
The creativity of this group of women is incredible. They're so inspiring. There's such strong women here, but that strength is present at the same time as their kindness and their gentleness.
For anyone trying it for the first time, it's a gentle way to reconnect to something different.
Hey. AWI!